ingeni kurwasi chi company au amajani kurwasi company lya Keteba echumbia cancelled egati bintu binde binge wigo mkonya bali chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasi company lya MRM aywale ayechi size au nabego ni chirangi au mkonya bali black sheet egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbamwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbamwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolera ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyurange namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena Credit Bank ime yomuchi wosongo bakere simgotera search number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners niko bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wekerano ngusibya bale ekisuti kigown kiduve curtains carpet ebikoro tukurwa bidibya bana bikabiri by'abantabanene wigo mukuru bale obokoreri wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga niko bagutuka imiyo mu cy'umusongo nyanjwa amene gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bokoreri bwa pick up na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisine ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Wewe biyana inde mwancho moligerere Ogetembe TV na ukwandiri Andonsia Sore kukwaliga ni asekionga chinse komicha bono morogoba eritoriane Matilda Obaigwa nere Wilson Mokori koro asense mo area yebimanyerere karanso igena bwo usanga 90 so mutandao Facebook na bwo YouTube ekionga gikogochira emo ase eyemo karibu sana uchake kionga kurasi county ya Kisii Musubati omutangani nere mama Rachel Ruto nikobono anyarako rao moyiga kukubachengira nabo kubasigeta abasubati nabo igobangina weso ya asebyombe bunenchireyemo yoko bakonya ase mutukabo alebosyo nabo igobukonya cyamati cyabo ase chinga kiechiga kahukwana kurwase umoyigo yokorekana ase egeti kya Kisii National Polytechnic mugasolero Mama Rachel Ruto nigobono nyara kubura buna basubati bali bari asebyombe nigo babere bagokoria buyana bwigo babere bagokinia nabwo gosira cyamati cyabo engana hagendera koenana esegeto nabwo kubabura buna osekubura buna nabega kubabwate sia nabwo kubasira ose serikali nero nenyara kubikoko bukasogosira abangina.
When women organize themselves, they do not simply save money. They share ideas, exchange knowledge, and encourage one another. And when one woman falls, there is another woman to help her rise again. Economic empowerment is not simply about having money in your pocket. It is about having choices. It is about paying school fees without fear, growing a business, putting obokima on the table, and having the confidence to plan for tomorrow because you have taken steps to secure today. So, to the women of Kisii, to the woman of Kisii who is still wondering whether she should join a Joyful Women group, I say, begin. Do not wait until you have a lot of money. Begin with what you have. In 2 Kings chapter 4 verses 2, when the prophet Elisha asks the widow, "What do you have in your house?" she responds that she has only a little oil. God used what she had to create a billion company for her. So save what you can, learn what you do not know, and grow from where you are. The women we celebrate today are proof that great things can begin with a simple decision, a decision to work together and believe that the future can be different. We see the spirit in groups such as Nyakanya and Sensi Beyond, among others. These groups have ventured into unique income-generating activities, including brick making, millet and soybean farming, and sunflower cultivation. Through these ventures, women are earning incomes, supporting their families, and building individual businesses. They did not begin with large businesses or large amounts of capital. They began with an idea, a commitment to work together, and the courage to
ikiombe gitenenito obocholi ne chimbebe mense ya Kenya ikiombe kia IEBC ni kubono kia goserere buna nabuke guchigotanga igati ya barai bari bakoligia chikura na muno babiri bakubwatiranirwa ase ogwikirania na bwigo gusaria omorembe ase chinsemo ime yense ya Kenya. Oyoro munyakiro wobwe kiombekyo nere Erastus Edong Ethekon kaukono mugasolero nikubono anyarire kubura buna abakenya bake gusoma barumoke bwa bakenya toko bakuwakanwa chibesa chinke ekerasekero guturubania omorembe nabo yokogosereria abakichikura anene muno chinge kiechigo bocholi bwa berirange ngana tebire etambukiro nge mukiwe tindi gochase bonsi bakubwatiraniwa nimechandeyo.
Fellow citizens, and of course agencies involved, let us be proactive in investigating some of these political actors and their activities, and let us use that information to petition IEBC to take action against those errant politicians who think they are above the law. Why would 2,000 people disrupt the peace of 55 million Kenyans? Is that fair? Because they are looking for a job. So that mechanism requires that you report to us and we use that information not to take appropriate action, including fining them. Na kama mbaya, if it's really tough, we will even disqualify some of them from contesting, because why would you clear a leader who is undermining the peace and stability of the country? I thank you very much.
Wancho murigereria ne chinga kiecho ekiombe egike koligereria gusegiteneneta magana yokoreta abakenya kurebisa ku amo na bwigoko kwene kyabona abakenya tibali kugendera gwatanano wetera ase amangana yobugesaku kia NCIC ose National Cohesion Integration Commission negobono kyanyarire kubwatuka ogochika na bwigoko kulira yabo guchasa abakenya buna ngego chigwanchira abana siasa na bwiga barai bali babiri bawaka siasa cyobugesaku chinga kechiga amatuko yobocholi aberirange bakwana na bwigo sangane chiwizara mugasolero kurasumochie o Nairobi ikiombekyo nigobono kyanyare kwenekeria abakenya namba chikwenekia barai bonsi bali babiri bakubotoka chinkwana chinkongo mbabe bakwimokeriwa ebitambokero ebitindi.
The National Cohesion and Integration Commission is deeply concerned by the growing manifestations of political intolerance, hate speech, ethnic contempt, disinformation, and other forms of divisive rhetoric in our public discourse. Words spoken carelessly by leaders and influential individuals can deepen divisions. fuel mistrust, and create conditions that may ultimately threaten national peace and cohesion. We must therefore remember that leadership carries responsibility. So as we approach the 2027 elections, political leaders, aspirants, opinion shapers, and all those with public influence must exercise restraint.
The roadmap is right to identify hate speech, dangerous speech, ethnic mobilization, zoning narratives, intolerance, and goonism as serious threats to peaceful competition. Political competition must be won through ideas. It must be won through the ballot. It must never be won through fear. No region of Kenya belongs to one candidate, one party, or one community. Kenya belongs to all Kenyans. Citizens have the right to campaign, live, work, invest, and participate peacefully in every part of Kenya. And to marry anyone. Yeah, to marry from any part of Kenya. You know, I have been threatened. I've been threatened that my wife and my children will be withdrawn. So I was very concerned. And I was asking myself, why does, even if you withdraw my wife, what do you do with her? She has 4 boys. So anyway, let me not go there.
I have become increasingly convinced that in our national conversation, we sometimes underestimate the economic value of peace and stability. We rightly speak about roads, railways, ports, airports, power plants, and other infrastructure. These investments are indeed critical to our development.
Muraivensi ya Kenya Musiki William Ruto nigo agendera na siasa yae nabo igo kwigora amagendero nabo igo kolia chira asijinsemo gete ime yorogongo kose asensemo ya Narok North ime county ya Narok litiko lialero chinga kia gusangana bamenye kuro asijinsemo se orogongoro nigo Musiki William Ruto anyale ko bagikelia abamerere bae nabo igo gutuguterale chinkwana cyabo asatebire buna tibo botimero bilimi yago cyase abakenya baranyale koleta gose baranyale kolemia abakenya unamba bokolere buya gwetania serikali ere avisi.
Sikizeni ndugu zangu watu wa Narok. Mimi nawauliza kwa unyenyekevu. Hapa Narok tuko na jamii zote za Kenya. Musikubali viongozi ambao wanataka kutuletea fitina ya ukabila. Sisi tunataka tutembee pamoja kama Wakenya. Kwa sababu umoja ni nguvu. Kujitenga ni udhaifu. Wale watu ambao hawana agenda wanatuuzia sera ya siasa ya mambo ya ubaguzi, mambo ya chuki, mambo ya ukabila, mambo ya fitina. Sisi tunawaambia Kenya hiyo haiko na sisi tena. Hawa wananchi wanataka kuungana, wanataka barabara ijengwe, wanataka stima waunganishiwe, wanataka watoto wao wasome, wanataka matibabu hospitalini. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Kwa hivyo nyinyi watu wa Narok mnasemaje? Ati Narok mnasemaje? Ati Narok mnasemaje? Narok North mnasemaje? Narok mnasemaje? Hebu nione tutam ya Narok, nione tutam. Mimi naona kuna watu tutaonyesha kivumbi watashangaa. Si ndio? Na nimewaambia wale watu, unajua wale watu ni wakulipwa. Wale watu ni wakupangwa. Wale watu ni vibaraka. Wameambiwa ati wakuje wapinge mimi, wapinge SHA, wapinge barabara, wapinge housing. Mimi nataka niwaambie nyinyi watu wa kutumwa, watu wa vibaraka wa mtu fulani, nyinyi tafuteni sera my friends. Hawa wananchi wanataka kuchagua sera ambayo itawapeleka mbele. Wanataka agenda ya kuwapeleka mbele. Wanataka mpango ya kuwapeleka mbele. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na mimi nimewaambia juzi, hata kama wewe umelipwa, hata kama wewe umekodeshwa, hata kama wewe umepangwa, umeambiwa kwenda pinga housing, wewe uweze kutumia akili kidogo ujue hii housing
na omora ibwekiama gia DCP Musikiri Rigathi Gachagua nigagendera waka siasa yae na bobota nibwekiama gia DCP kurosa magacho amanene yekiama ekyo gosichia bisichi kiama ekyo gia DCP me yomuchi Nairobi na chinga kiecho nigo agenderire kumochia mirobiri ya serikali asatebire tari gotiga koyamereria guseta gochigotiga koyirusia magoso goika obochori obonene bwanyale goikirana omwaka ogocha.
Because nilikuwa hapo, hakuna barabara, hakuna maji, hakuna stima. Hawa Kipsigis wanalia hata kuliko watu wengine Kenya. Wewe unaenda hapo kesho, wacha nikuulize swali Kasongo. Ulikuwa hapo tarehe 6 mwezi wa 3 mazishi ya marehemu Johana Ngeno. Ukaahidi watu ya Murwad Kill ya kwamba watu 12,000 wale waliondolewa Mau Forest utaweka pesa kwa budget uwapatie. Ukienda hapo kesho vile haiko kwa budget utawadanganya namna gani? Wewe umeenda nyumbani kudanganya watu nyumbani. Ulisema 12,000 people utaweka pesa kwa budget. Video iko hapo. Sasa unaenda huko kesho, nimeangalia budget. Hii pesa hukuweka, utawaambia nini? William Ruto ulienda hapo ukadanganya hawa ya kwamba eka 5,000 ya ile shamba ya marehemu Cheluget utaweka pesa uwanunulie. Ukasema umeongea na familia. Hii pesa hapana iko kwa budget. Ukienda hapo kesho utawadanganya namna gani? Naambianga wa Kenya ukweli. So tomorrow kabla niondoke kwenda Amerikani, I'll call the media ndio nieleza wa Kenya what is happening in IBC. I'm just waiting for 2 small confirmations. I have everything but I need one to confirm because I must be truthful to the people of Kenya. Ndio niweze kuambia wa Kenya vile maneno inakaa. Nairobi hoi.
Asengane yo Musikiri Rigathi Gachagua no ngokorere kionga chinse komichia bono murgoba gendera gusangana inte na bwigo tubwati ase mitandao yetu yekerero kuruko Matilda Obaigwa ere Makori Wilson kurase bimanyerere yunuke atuti chivichana malio gya senchera ere yavene getembene yao getembene yane gendera ko yirigirire na bwigo tubwati aboire mpia mono sana kiagera kwa gendere ko ba omwegeno twara emrago vingia.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka meyo mu cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati ibintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa